Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Students, we are studying evolution and today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic, that is classification and evolution. Now students, many of you must be thinking what exactly is meant by classification. Let us take an example. All the different living organisms on our planet have been classified into 5 kingdoms, namely Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae and animalia. Under that, let us talk about the kingdom Animalia, which is further divided into various groups called as phyla. Yes students, now when this segregation was occurring, one thing which was very important was the evolutionary history, because it is closely related to evolution, and classification always takes into account the phylogenetic relationship of different organisms. Having said that students, it was observed that the lower organisms which existed much earlier, the characters were very basic as compared to the characters which appeared in the later stages. Moving on students, let us talk about evolution. Students, you cannot talk about evolution and forget to mention this ingenious scientist, that is Charles Darwin. He authored the book called as The Origin of the Species, which was mainly talking about evolution. And in this book, he stated that certain changes in the body design of organisms occurred, which allow these organisms to survive in the changing environment. And this is what is called as evolution.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.